Understanding Paper Recycling, a simple guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very important and environmentally friendly topic: paper recycling. It's not just about saving trees. It's about understanding how our everyday actions can contribute to a healthier planet. Let's dive into the world of paper recycling and learn how it's done and why it matters. Paper recycling is the process of turning waste paper into new paper products. This includes newspapers, magazines, office paper, and even cardboard. Recycling paper helps reduce the need for new paper, conserving natural resources and reducing environmental impact. 1. Collection and transportation. This is the first step where paper waste is collected from homes, offices, and recycling centers and transported to a recycling facility. 2. Sorting and shredding. Once at the facility, the paper is sorted by type and quality. Then, it's shredded into small pieces. 3. Pulping. The shredded paper is mixed with water and chemicals to create a slurry, known as pulp. This process breaks down the paper fibers. 4. De-inking and cleaning. The pulp is then cleaned and de-inked, removing any inks, adhesives, and other contaminants. 5. Refining and bleaching. The pulp is further refined to make the fibers swell and then, if necessary, bleached. 6. Paper making. Finally, the clean pulp is mixed with new pulp from wood chips, spread on large screens, and pressed and dried to create new paper. Recycling paper has several benefits. Conserves resources. It reduces the need for raw materials like trees. Saves energy. It uses less energy compared to producing new paper. Reduces greenhouse gas emissions. It helps in reducing the carbon footprint. Waste reduction. It decreases the amount of waste sent to landfills. Separate your waste. Keep paper products separate from other waste. Use recycling bins. Dispose of your paper waste in recycling bins. Buy recycled paper products. Support the recycling industry by purchasing products made from recycled paper. Educate others. Share your knowledge about paper recycling with friends and family. Thank you for joining me in this journey to understand paper recycling. Remember, every small step we take towards recycling can make a big difference in preserving our planet. Keep recycling and encourage others to do the same. Stay green and see you in the next video.